How to use Coinbase earn to get free cryptocurrencies. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to use Coinbase earn to get free cryptocurrencies. So for that case, you have to make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So first thing, you need to exit out of your Coinbase and open up a browser, type in learn about crypto and get reward Coinbase. So when you type in the following information, then you can see the list of information that provided to you. The first thing is they've mentioned that the Coinbase has created educational tutorials to teach you about different cryptocurrencies. And likewise, after each tutorial, receive a simple quiz testing what you've learned about, and you'll receive a crypto in Coinbase for each quiz and you're complete. So you can start today itself, and if you are having confusion with this procedure, you can go ahead and press on the link that is learn about crypto and get rewards. When you've done that, you can go and select it in next page. It's going to directly take you to the page where you can go ahead and read the instructions and all of the terms and conditions, and accordingly perform your action. So that is how you can use Coinbase to get free cryptocurrency. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.